Hello, welcome to Kurdish Lessons. So this is Gule, as Gulema, Mamostaya Kurmanji, your Kurmanji teacher. So in this video lesson, we will have a look at family members in Kurmanji and Damen Malmate, the members of the family. So as you know, I'm sure that you know, so in Kurdish culture, family, like the relationships between family members is very strong. That's why there are very specific names for each member. Okay, so I will try to teach you to give you the most common member's name. Okay, so of course the first one, let's start from kids, right? So Zarok is kid, right? Zarok. So kid or kids, you know, that it's a highlight, it's very important. So Zarok or any nouns in Kurmanji in nominative form can be singular or plural. Okay, so that's why Zarok, when it is alone, you never know the numbers. So it depends on the ending, okay? Okay, so Zarok, kid or kids. Bav, father. Bav, okay, father. But when we call dad, when you call your father, hey, dad. So bavo, or in my region we say yabo. Yabo or bavo means dad when you are calling your dad, okay? But normally when you say my father, you say bavimen, bavete, bavi. Okay? Bav. And of course, mother is very important. They or dayik means mother. And when you are calling your mother, when you say mom, mommy, mom, so you'll say daye, or in my region we say yade. Okay, yeah. And I think I heard dade as well. There is a song dade, dade, dade. It's very sad, but yeah. So daye or dade or yade. So this is the vocative form of saying mom, mommy. Okay. So now, so we learned Zarok. It's very important. Bav, de. So catch or ketchuk. Catch or ketchuk means daughter, daughter or girl. Okay, daughter or girl. And kur or kurrak, or unfortunately we have many options. Lao or lawuk. It means son or boy. Okay, so you can say kuremen, kurikemen, lawemen, lawukemen. Okay, any of them, like yeah, all these three, four versions are fine to say son or boy. So bav, de dayik, ketch ketchik, kur kuruk. So ketch ketchik, and so or qis, qizik, qizamen, qizikamen. They are the same. Okay. So now, of course, brother, brother, sister, khushk or khwah, khushkamen, khwahamen. So, أو khushkamena, she is my sister. أو brayemena, he is my brother. أو diyamena, or dayamen, this is my mom. أو babemena, okay? So you can say, or khushk or brana. We are siblings. So in Kurmanji, in Kurdish, we don't have any specific word to say sibling. Okay, so you say khushk ubra, sisters and brothers. Okay, so this is the close family, the small family, right? And I will teach you for grandparents. So Oops. So, Dapir or Birak is your grandma. Dapiraman, Birakaman is grandma. Babir or Kalik is grandpa. Bapireman, Kalikeman, Dapiraman, Birakaman. Okay? Grandma, grandpa. So, Bav, Dayik, Kedj, Kur, Bra, Kushk, Dapir, Bapir. So these are easy. They're small families, like a European family, right? But let's have a look at a Kurdish family. Show. Beep. Bigger. So we learned father, mother, siblings, brother, sister, daughter, like daughter and son, right? Oops, my sister is calling. Push comment, so I need to. Yeah. So, and now let's have a look at uncles. So, in Kurmanji, when you say your uncle or your aunt, the side is very important. It's from mother side or father side, okay? So if you want to say aunt, pardon, uncle, from uncle, it can be ab, mom, or am. But these three words are for uncle, but from paternal, it's for paternal uncle, okay? So, braye, bave, te, the brother of your father, paternal uncle. So you can say apemen, mamemen, amemen. In my region, is very common. So if you say amemen, they will say, oh, you are from around Midyat. So up or mom, the more common one, the most common words for paternal uncle. And let's say you have maternal uncle, so it will be, maternal uncle will be khal. Okay, khal. Khaleman, khaleta, khalili. Okay? And for aunts, so paternal aunt will be met or metric. So we add these ak at the end of many words, okay? They are the same. But before, like the real usage of ak to make something diminutive, like little and sweetie, but these days we just use ak everywhere. So I can say as daftar kamana, it's my just notebook, okay? And maternal aunt is khalti, khaltik, or khalat. So khalti yaman, khalti kaman, khalat kaman means my maternal uncle. So it's very important to know these versions, because if you hear khalat in Duhok, it's aunt. Khaltik in around Mardin, Khalti in other cities. So just knowing is the best way, okay? Now, so this is only uncles and aunts, right? Let's say these uncles have kids, of course. We have big families, so each uncle, aunts have many kids. For example, my uncle, Apeman, Mameman, Nah, Kuren Wihana, he has 9 boys, but no daughters, just, yeah, unfortunately. Okay, so if your uncle has some kids, it will be your cousin, right? Cousin. But the types of cousin change a lot in Kurmanji. So you just can say one word. We have many, like each cousin has a specific words, okay? So if it is, let's say, cousin, okay, I will say cousin, but I will explain it. Cousin, okay. If it is your pismam, it is Gure Apeta. So it is the son of your ab. Which ab? From father side. Kurab, Pismam. It's very common, Pismam. But in my region, Pismam is used, but we use Kuram, the son of uncle. So Kuram, Kurab, Kurmam. So you can use any of them. Kurmam, Kurab, or Pismam. Pismam is a very common terms. Yeah, but Kurab, Kurmam also used. Okay, so it's for your paternal uncle boy, paternal uncle son. If another cousin, if it is your uncle's daughter from father's side, so dot mom or ketchum or ketchup or ketchum. So I will write in the same way, not to mix them. Okay, they are just same. So this is ketchup apeta. So let's imagine you have an uncle, okay, and he has a boy and a girl. So the boy will be your mom or kuram, kurab, kurmam, and daughter will be dotmam, kecham, kechap, kechmam. Same. Okay. So it was for up, or mom or aunt. And let's have a look at another cousin. Imagine Khal, your maternal uncle has some kids. So if it's a boy, it will be Kure Khal, Kure Khaleta, Kure Khaleta, the son of your maternal uncle. Okay. And let's have a look at this cousin. So Kechal will be Kecha Khaleta. Kecha Khaleta. Okay. And so it's Khal part is easy because only one word to say uncle from maternal uncle. Khal. Okay. Kechal. And let's have a look at auntie. You have a cousin from your met. So it's a boy, Kurmet, or Kurmetik. They are same. So it's Kure Metate, the boy of your aunt from father's side. Kure Metate. Okay. Another cousin, Kechmet, the son of the daughter of your met. Okay. Or Kechmetik. They are same. Kecha Metate. So we and we need Khalti, Khalid. Okay. So last cousin. Last cousin is yeah. If it's a boy, Kur. So Kur Khalti, Kur Khaltik, Khalti or Khaltik. They are almost same. And Kur Khalet, which is Kure Khaltikate, the boy of your Khaltik, the son of your aunt from mother's side, right? And if it's a daughter, you will say Ketch Khalti, or Ketch Khalet, Ketcha Khaltikate. So you see the type of cousin is really important. It depends the source, which uncle, which aunt, which side. So Pismam, Kuram, Kurab, Kurmam, they are the same. Dotmam, Kecham, Kechap, Kechmam, these are the same. Kurkhal, Kechkhal, Kurmet, Kechmet, Kurkhalti, Kechkhalti. So I mean, as soon as you hear Kurmet, Kurmete, Kurkhal, Kurkhal, Kechkhalti, Kechkhalti. Okay, just if you practice these a lot, you will just you will automatically understand them. Okay, as soon as possible. So these are about cousins, and these are about uncles. And And let's imagine your uncle has a wife, hopefully only one wife, not more than one. So, as you know, Jin means a woman or wife, right? And if your paternal uncle, mom, has a wife, it will be your Jinab, Jinmam, or Jinam. Okay? So, Jinab, Jinmam, Jinab. And in Sarhat, the region in Bakur, they say Amojin. Amojin, okay? So it's same, just changing the place, okay? And if your khal, if your maternal uncle has a wife, it will be Jin khal, or as in Sarhat called Khalo Jin. So it is, I will explain, Jinna Apeta, the wife of your uncle. And Jina Khaleta, the wife of your uncle, but from mother's side. Jina Khaleta. So, unfortunately, no words. If your aunt gets married, so like no words for her uncle, her husband. I don't know why, it's just culture. So we have Jinab, like for the wife of our uncle, and we have Jinkhal or Khalujin, the wife of Khalita. Okay, this is like uncle's part. And now, let me think more. We have more words. So as you know, so we learned Jin Khal, like the wife of your Khal, and we have same word as Jinber. Jinber is, I will make it bigger. Give me a second. Dear students. So Jinber is Jina Braye Ta. Jina Braye Ta. Jina Braye Ta. Okay? And if Jina Braye Ta. So let's imagine I am married, okay, I am married. So I have a husband, Merriman. So Mer is, by the way, man and husband, okay? Man and husband, okay? And so we have a term, it's called dish. Dish. Dish is Khushka Mereta. So my husband has a sister, and his sister is my dish. Okay? Khushka Mereta is dish. Tea, it means thirsty, you know, and as a family term, it is Braye Mereta. So if my husband has some brothers, they will be my tea. Tea, my, I don't know how it, what is this term in English. And now let's have a look at husband's family or wife's family, okay? So Khasu is mother-in-law. Mother-in-law. Khasu. Khasu. And Khazur is father-in-law. Okay. And in Kurmanji, book is bride. Okay. But this term is not only for the process of getting married, it continues after marriage as well. So you can say bukame, like our bride, our daughter-in-law. Daughter-in-law. Okay. And Zava is groom. And it's not only for marriage, not only for process, not only for wedding, but afterwards. So you can say Zawayeme, our son-in-law. Okay. Okay. And what else do we have? I here I want to add. So baldus is if you are a man and if your wife has some sisters, they will be your baldus. So Khushken or Khushka, Jinata, the sister of your wife. Okay, Khushka Jinata. And Bura is Braye Jinata. You are married, you have a wife, Jin, and her brother will be your Bura. You can say Bura Yemen, Balduzamen, okay, for a man, and speaking about your wife's sisters and brothers, okay? So, yes, we learned too many terms. It's just some of them. There, yeah, if we have some like stepmother terms will be different. So now let's repeat what we did. So Zarok, kids, okay? Bav, de, daik, catch, ketchik, qis, qizik. Say, kur, kurik, lau, lauk, bra, khushk or khwah. Dapir, pirik, bapir, kalik. Up, mom is for paternal uncle. Khal for maternal uncle. Met or metik, paternal aunt. And khalti, khalet, it's aunt for mother side. To say your uncle's kids, there are too many words. So if it is kure apete, the son of your paternal uncle, pesmam, kuram, kurab, kurmam. The female, dotmam, kecham, ketchup, ketchmam, kecha apete. Kure khalete will be kurkhal. Kecha khalete is ketchkhal. Kure metata can be kurmet or kurmetik. Daughter will be kechmet or kechmetik. So kurkhalti, kurkhalti, kurkhalet for kure khalti kate, the son of your aunt from mother side. Kechkhalti, kechkhalti, kechkhalet, kecha khalti kate. And don't forget, jin can be woman or wife. Okay, so jina, bijinma, bijinam, or amojin, it will be jina apeta, the wife of your uncle. Jin khal or khalojin, jina khaleta, the wife of your maternal uncle. Okay, so jinbur is jina brayeta. Mer means man or husband. Dush khushka mereta. Ti braye mereta. Baldus khushka jinata. Bura braye jinata. Khasu dia merete dia jinata. Okay, right here. Dia jina or mereta, the mother of your husband or your wife. Okay, khazur bave jina or mereta. Book is bride or daughter-in-law, and zawa is groom or son-in-law. So that's all for this video. These are advanced vocabulary, but at least try to learn these and this second part, okay? When you are able to say psmam or dotmam, it sounds very advanced, okay? Very native. So try to use these terms. If you have any questions, write as a commentary. And if you are interested in learning Kurmanji from scratch, from very beginning, from alphabet, have a look at our website, KurdishLessons.com. Okay, we are there waiting for you. So have a good week and winter بخاطرته وسرجعوا حتى فيديو كذا till the next video.